Take me out on Monday, love me like it's Friday, dance until it's Sunday, then do it again. Mojitos on a Tuesday, hit the floor on Wednesday, dance until it's Sunday, then do it again.
Come and follow me, I know that place to be, underneath the moonlight, right across the sea. Weekend every day, we'll dance the night away, and nobody can hold us, starting from today.
Take me out.